adventure. Let's embrace the night.
Well, good afternoon, good morning, good day. Welcome to the vlog. I'm in Nottingham. You're not really going to see much of me today, but you are going to see some views around Nottingham. So at the moment I'm walking from the hotel that I stay in down towards the city centre. It's about a mile and a bit, I think. But I want to try and walk along the canal side if I can. I could get a bus. It's only £3, but it's a gorgeous day, so I thought, well, let's just have a walk out. There is a pizza manufacturer's just to my left, and if this was smelly vision, you'd be going, oh yeah, it really is nice. Anyway, I'm heading towards the town centre. Just going to go and have a look round and take you along with me. So I've just walked a mile, and there is the station just over there to my right, which is going over the main line tracks now. But any minute now we're going to go over the canal, and just over to my right is the British Waterways building, as was. I have no idea what it is now. Is it still British Waterways, or is it apartments? I think we'll go with apartments, didn't you? So, but also up to my left is a castle, so, which I can't see at the moment because it's obscured. I think this is all is this university or apartments or Castle Meadow. I have no idea, but we are just about to, I believe, down here, cross over the canal. What an aptly named pub, the Navigation. Oh, look at that. Gone Goozlers. That's a bit leaky, isn't it? That doesn't look like, well, I guess it could have been opened, but yeah, they've got to be apartments, haven't they? The old British Waterways. I might try and walk back down the footpath later, see how far I can get back towards the hotel. Just looking at the prices. Some nibbles, £7. Super today, £6.50, not bad. Steak and out pie, £13. Do you know what? The prices are not over the top, are they? And this is a Navigation in Nottingham, right on the canal. Or they'll never sell any ice cream at that speed. Alright, let's push the button, wait to cross. Okay, so up to my left is Broadmarsh, and that's where my coach goes from of a morning. So I'm just about to turn left. Oh, I don't know, I might turn right because I don't know what's where. I've never actually looked around here. So, oh, Fellows, Morton and Clayton, didn't they have something to do with canal boats? Oh, I bet that's amazing. That's just expensive. Alright. Okay, I've got no idea what's where. I'm just heading up towards the station to see if I can find Weatherspoons or somewhere like that. There has got to be a Weatherspoons here, isn't there? Crikey. Look at that station building. Oh wow. How very picturesque. I shall be walking down there later. Two pieces of chicken and chips. Ooh. As nice as it smells. Oh, magistrate. So it looks like I very well may be going over the top of the canal again. I am. So I'm actually trying to find a Weatherspoons. I found a Premier Inn and the BBC. Get on. So I'm trying to find a Weatherspoons because I like eating at classy establishments. I'm saying that, you can't beat the spoons. They are what they are. Well, whatever it is, it smells good. Here comes another pizza delivery. Noise now, noise now. A bit late with the noise, but there you go. Slightly off topic. I've got some new trainers. There we go. Got them off a TikTok shop. I have to say, while I'm driving, they are remarkably comfortable. But while I'm walking, I'm not so sure. They've, I don't know whether it's the air cushioning or what, but it's a tad uncomfortable. Any blisters, I'll let you know. They weren't bad, not for 16 quid. Well, I don't know what that building is, but it looks very old. Anyway, I've just been told that I've gone from doing 18 minutes a mile to 23 because I keep stopping. Motorpoint Arena, home of the Nottingham Panthers. So I'm looking for Goose Street, Goose Close, Goose something or other. Some lovely old buildings around here. And some new. Okay, I found it, Goose Gate. Got to do a left here. It's up here somewhere. Nice one around here somewhere down here obviously. Oh yeah. Different culture, different cuisines. Okay, it's around here somewhere. can't remember what it's called. But it's a Friday night, isn't it? Ooh. Time to check the app. Oh, only I could walk straight past it. It's there. It's the old Lloyd's Bank. Oh, let's go and see what sort of establishment it is.
I don't listen to him anymore.
Somewhere, well, quiet's not going to be the place, is it? But out of the way. This will do. Right, that was Spoons. It was rough. I should have actually recorded the food. I had a steak and ale pie and it was solid, absolutely solid. Look at these trams. No, that's a bus. Where's a tram? There we go. Overhead cables. So I can't believe in London we got rid of all of these 80 years ago, trams and trolley buses, and now they're back. I mean, just how cool is that? What an amazing form of public transport, and we binned it all off. Brilliant stuff. Anyway, Nottingham. It's definitely a tale of two cities. How far we got to go? We're going to turn on Canal Street in 250 yards. Yeah, it's definitely a tale of two cities because there are places that are opulent and really nice, and there is the butt end of a dog's dinner, which is a real shame. Oh, that is a castle. Yeah, which is a real shame. But there you go. I think I'm heading in the right direction. Oh yeah, I do believe I'm going to walk past the bus station, I think. Oh, better cross over. Better cross over. Don't want to get run over. Wow, that's trundling along a bit. Lot of girly drivers, which is good to see. Oh, what a gorgeous evening. It's about 20 to 7. I've just gone past that pizza place again. It smells absolutely gorgeous. So I've been out for about 3.5, 4 hours. I've done about 6.5 miles. I don't know how, I've just literally walked round and round in circles. But Nottingham is an absolutely stunning place. I love the way that a lot of the old buildings have been done up and are now either apartments or office buildings, but have been repurposed. There's a lot of new buildings as well, but they've been repurposed. They look good. They do look good.
Split 4. Split pace. 24 minutes. 19 seconds per mile.
Oh, I've just been told it's taking me 24 minutes to do a mile because I'm plodding because my new shoes are hurting. But there you go. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a girl, 4 for a boy. 5 for silver. Excellent. Cross my pine with silver. Yeah, I wouldn't mind coming to Nottingham in a camper van or even staying in a hotel just to have a proper look round, and not having to get back because I know that I've got to be up at 3:30 in the morning to drive a coach back. But there you go. But sorry you've not seen anything of me and just seen the view, but I've only got my glasses with me. Oh, having a little bit of a race then too, look at that. Oh yeah, boys will be boys and so will middle-aged men. So right, nearly back at the hotel. Luxury homes, cinemas and entertainment spaces. Cinemas. Whoa, looks expensive. Right, this is it. This is my luxury accommodation. Oh, do you know what? It's not too bad. Yes, it's a travel lodge, but it's not too bad. It's comfortable, and if I'm on the top floor, you don't tend to hear people making noise. And they've got EV chargers here as well, which is not for this channel, but for Tesla Towers UK. They have EV chargers. Brilliant. Right, if you've enjoyed this little vlog of not actually seeing me but having a little look around Nottingham, then give me a thumbs up. If you don't already, please subscribe, and above all, ring the bell for notifications, and whenever I put out more stuff you're going to hear about it. Leave me a comment, please. Leave me comments. I love comments. It's nice to answer them. It's nice to know that people do actually watch and interact. And thank you very much. As I say, not anything madly exciting, but a little browse around Nottingham. Right, see you in the next one. Bye for now.